Hi, this is Dr. Peters. Just a real quick overview of your Human Heredity Bio 106 hybrid course. I'm going to walk you through a few things just to kind of help you find where everything's located and explain to you what this hybrid course really intends to do. First thing, it should be noted that the hybrid course is really a lab course with an online lecture course. You're still going to be reading the textbook, you're still going to be doing all the same assignments, but you're going to be doing those on your own. So I will see you every Monday from 9 to 10:50 in the lab, which is Science West 102. But I do want to make it clear that this is not a self-paced course. You will have due dates and times, and there will be no turning in late assignments. So you will have to make sure that you get all of your assignments turned in, which will be prior to each lab every Monday morning at 9 a.m. So please don't wait till the last minute on the weekends to do your work. Otherwise, you're going to find it's going to be very difficult to send me emails and get help with those assignments. So I would get your work done as early as you can and ask your questions as the week proceeds. You're going to find things online in a number of places, but everything's going to be sort of centered in Blackboard this semester. I'll have files, some support information about where you can get a hold of me. I'll have announcements, lab materials, all of your assignments, links, and videos will be placed there. I'll show you where those are located here in a second. I'll go into a little bit more depth with you when I see you guys on the 28th in our first lab meeting. But I should note that announcements will be placed online and those will be sent out to you by email through your stlcc.edu accounts. Logging into Blackboard is incredibly important. You can't just log in once a month and be sufficient in here. I will be checking for you to be logging in frequently, and that's how I'm going to determine your presence in the class online. Obviously, I'll be seeing you every Monday. Remember, you can only miss one lab the entire semester. Also, once you get on Blackboard, you're going to find that much of our materials that are located on there are in a tab off to the left, and I have a screen here to show you that. This is a screen showing you where you're going to find things. So I'm going to kind of show you a little bit real quick here. You'll notice that the announcements on the left side here is located right here. You'll see the announcements that I put up every week, and those announcements will be very useful because they'll remind you what things are due. They'll also tell you a little bit about maybe something that I'm getting emails from students about, or if I've updated something. You'll be watching two videos, which are going to be located right where the cursor is on the left side here. Those videos include this video and then another video that you should have already watched. Your syllabus and your unit schedules will be located right in the syllabus and schedule section. Those will include sort of a broad overview of all the expectations in the syllabus, total number of points in the course, that type of thing, expectations, how to do discussion board posts, although I don't think we're going to do a lot of those this semester. But the unit schedules tell you more definitively, like in very detailed fashion, what we're going to be doing each week, what readings you should be doing in the book, what projects you should be finishing, what PowerPoints you should be looking at. You'll also notice that there's course content. This will contain information for you with regards to links, PowerPoints, and other materials that'll help you do your work each week. You'll have assignments, which will be located in the assignments tab. This will be very important because you'll have to turn your assignments in through Blackboard after the first week. I'll actually put the first one up there, but if you can't get it done, you can always bring the first one with you on the 28th. And that one was talked to you a little bit about here, more in a second. I'll come back to that. Starting in our first week after, you'll start doing Learn Smart, which is our online homework tool. So you'll have assignments that I'll be posting, and then Learn Smart tools, and that'll be through a link through your book. You can sign into that right away. There's a link through the Learn Smart tab here, and you can go ahead and get registered for that. If you've already purchased the book, you can use your code that's in your purchase book. If not, you'll have a chance to purchase that online. And then if you look right here on the page, you'll see that my instructor kind of tells you information that you see right here with regards to where I'm located, my office hours, how to best reach me, which is through my email page as well. I want you to watch the Get Start video if you haven't watched the other video. Print out your syllabus, look at your unit schedule, and get to work. You're gonna have to watch an hour and 40-minute movie called Miss Evers Boys, and there's a worksheet that goes along with this. You can either bring that with you to our first class, or you can submit that directly through Blackboard. I would prefer through Blackboard. After the first assignment, all assignments must be filled out and placed online. Those will have to be in either Word or PDF format. You'll also notice that there's a PowerPoint with narration or without narration. And I would encourage, if you get done with that, that you can go ahead and start reading chapter 1 in your book. And you will definitely need the Need for Needles lab prior to our first lab, which is at 9 a.m. on 128 and Science West 102. I will see you soon. If you have any questions, tpeters34@stlcc.edu.